Good day everyone. By the way, I am Mr. Steven Ramirez and I am tasked to illustrate how acid rain forms in the atmosphere with the chemical formulas of the substances. Acid rain results when sulfur dioxide or SO2 and nitrogen oxide or NOx are emitted into the atmosphere and transported by wind and air currents. The SO2 and NOx reacts with water, oxygen and other chemicals to form sulfuric and nitric acids. These then mix with water and other materials before falling to the ground. Acid rain is rain or any other form of precipitation that is unusually acidic, meaning that it has elevated levels of hydrogen ions. Most water, including drinking water, has a natural pH that exists between 6.5 and 8.5, but acid rain has a pH level lower than this and ranges from 4 to 5 on average.